Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think there's a very, very good likelihood this is eventually going to go down, make a wave C. Sort of time frames does kind of make you think that maybe it will go up and retest these highs first, which is definitely possible before it does go down. But either way, I still think that the monthly is going to go down at some point and make a big old move to the downside. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm still looking at this as possibly a wave 1 and 2. Like I said, it kind of almost makes you think that maybe it is going to go back up and retest these highs and it's actually not a wave 2. But for now, I'm still looking at it as a possible wave 2 because it hasn't taken out the high and it is definitely respecting these Fibonacci levels. So we're going to have to see whether this actually does turn into a downtrend or whether this move down is actually a correction to the move up. Heading down to the daily time frame, I still have it labeled as an ABC. Like I said, it could be a correction to this move up. If it is, then it will most likely make three waves down and positive up, proving that it's a correction, which would definitely make me exit my shorts and go long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it makes a 1, 2, 3 and it just keeps on going like this, then I'll just hold on to my shorts and I'll just enjoy the profits and maybe even add to my position on the way down. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I think this looks more like a 1, 2, 3. It always could be an ABC, but I think this is more likely a wave 4. I think it's more likely it's going to go down again for a wave 5, and this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is either a wave A or a wave 1. Then when it does go up and break structure, I think it's likely to be a correction to this move down, which is most likely going to be a B or a 2. Then I'm going to try to go short at the end of the B or 2, and then I'll learn and earn at the same time whether it makes a wave C, which would probably look something like this, and then go back up, or whether it makes a wave 3, which a wave 3 will just keep on making lower lows and lower highs. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, this move up to me looks more like it's going to end up being a correction. I think it's going to be like a wave 4, and then we're going to get another push down for a wave 5 based on the higher time frames. And like I said, this should all either be a wave A or a wave 1 based on those higher time frames. So overall, I definitely still would be looking for shorts, but you have to keep in mind that the higher time frame trends on the daily, weekly, and monthly is still up. And yes, this does look like it needs to make a 3, 4, 5, but at some point it probably is going to continue the uptrend, and it could even possibly do it unexpectedly. And we do have a little bit of a break of structure going on right here, so possibly you could be looking for longs and learning and earning at the same time whether it really is a wave 4 or not. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.